So I took my S2000 to Island Dragway in northern New Jersey in August of 2019. So this is my brother-in-law's M3 as well. We both went. We were doing a bachelor party for our uncle, who is an avid drag racer. So as you see here, I got some GoPro footage going of the S2000, and very interested to see kind of what it trapped. And this is my first run of the day. I did a 14.2 at 96, which I was surprised. The mile an hour was a little lower than I expected. Unfortunately, it was my brother-in-law's first time, and I explained everything to him other than what it meant to do a deep stage to where the first set of lights go out when you stage. So when he went, he thought he had to back up to have both lights illuminated before he could go. So he put it in reverse there and totally screwed him up for the start, but we got our laps in, and we got that out of the way for the rest of the day. Second run of the day, I did a flat foot shift from second to third and third to fourth, and it ended up being pretty much exactly the same time, and I gained another mile an hour on that one.
See how we did.
That's it. So both of these runs, I didn't do a burnout or anything with these all-season tires. I just wanted to see how they hooked. They spawned and they hooked okay for what they were.
Bye-bye, James.
So I ended up getting another 10th off, down to a 14.1 at 99 miles an hour. That was my best launch. He was having trouble getting locked out of second gear off the line quite a bit, so I was able to keep the S2000 out in front of him most of the time. So those three runs were so similar, I knew I had to try something different to get a little more time off. I really wanted to hit a high 13-second pass with the all seasons on the car. So I backed up and did a burnout on all the rest of the runs for the day. For some reason there was a cone placed right in the middle of the track, so you had to stage off kind of to the side. But as you'll see here, the tires hooked more than I expected. Lots of clutch slip off the line. And to put the icing on the cake, the second gear locked me out as well, which rarely happens in this car. That pass was pretty much a throwaway.
Short. Oh, it is better. It is better.
So I'm up for run number, what is this, run number 5, doing more burnouts. So my strategy here was to launch at a higher RPM since the tires were hooking more. They're pretty similar to the earlier runs in the day. And the M3 was starting to get the hang of the whole drag racing thing, so he's starting to be where he should be, which is out in front of me. you see there on my last run of the day, the tires didn't hook at all. It was actually my worst launch of the day, so I called it quits after that. And the M3 actually made its best pass. He went a 12.5 at 114, I think, to finalize the day. But here's my best run of the day. Time slip here. Actually, the 60 foot was a 2.2, so I was wrong. It was actually a pretty horrible 60 foot. But 14.1 at 99 there. And, you know, overall, I had a lot of fun, but the S2000 is definitely not a good drag racing car, and I definitely do not have it set up for drag racing. But thanks for watching.